Hello, I'm Adam from Safe4, and today I will show you how to start your free trial in Express Apps. There is a step-by-step guide how to work with solution. Down there you will find your username and password. By clicking the green button, you will open the environment. Fill your username to sign in. After it, enter the password. Then change password for your own one. Please save this new password for a later. Click on Sign In. And now it's done. You are in Loans environment. And that's it. Now you can start using the Loans Express.
Thank you for your attention. I hope it was helpful. Please feel free to contact us in case you have any questions and let us know your feedback. For more information, have a look at our website. Have a great day.